Hi everybody, welcome to Harif Office, a professional of MS Office channel. Today with Microsoft Excel and how to create a search bar in a large drop-down list. Plus, how to increase the font size inside the drop-down list. And finally, how to filter your results, which means as soon as you type the initial letters of your item, it appears in a Blingify. All of these things will be done by you and Hussein Mahmoud. Let's get started. First of all, you need to save this document in a way accepts macro codes through going to File menu and then Save As and then Save As Type. You can click on Excel Macro Enabled Workbook and save. Here you have a large drop-down list, but you reluctantly search for items by clicking on down or up arrows. Definitely this way is not helpful. Now you must have a search bar to find your items easily through going to developer menu, and if it is unavailable you can get it by right clicking here and click on customize ribbon. Here you find it's unchecked, just check it and click OK, and here click on insert icon and then combo box and draw the box in the same size of your cell. Here a Visual Basic code, I'll let it for you underneath the video. Just select all and copy it and right click on the sheet name and choose view code and just paste the copied code. And here you find the code name, just select on it and copy and then save this code and close the window and click on properties icon and on the name field just paste the code name and go down on the font field, just click on these dots. Here you can change the font type and the font style and the size of the font. Just make it 12 and click OK and then close this window and inactivate the design mode. Now here you can search for your items easily instead of searching manually. At the end, thanks for watching, and if you care of Microsoft Office family, subscribe this channel to find everything you need. And don't forget to like and share this video to make others get benefit from. Thank you so much.